One time. Hey, yo, Al, you know you got the lyrics.
I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had style. And so I came to see him and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Take me to the bridge.
Whoa, whoa, la 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 la, strumming my pain with his fingers. Yes, he was singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words.
Imankele uzi, Imankele uzi, okay, you said, Ojeta Barota, Yiri Banka Nese Sigao, okay, you said, Nupano Cheta Barota, Yiri Bure, Namo Pamio, okay, you said, Ojeta Barota, Yiri Banka Nese Sigao, okay, you said, Ojeta Barota, Yiri Bure, Namo Pamio, oh, lo, oh, go, look up a fellow, Febana Township, Malo George, name Yangao, Ojendo no change, never love, I see, it's a white boy now, one, no super love, village love, stronger than township love, if on I know, where he Dinka na wow, Mamba than also, I see me when man,
Oh gosh, I'm so impressed. You guys learned so fast.
Very fast.
So someone have a all these things and considering. Moto says she fork and spoon rice. You're going to swallow. Gosh, I'm so impressed. Even how to on the electronic. Oh God.
And I'm going to come and ask you.
Are you kidding me?
I don't know going help on this no low. You got to go more on I don't even know what sense. You got to go. Come Tuku Kisla, no, Kisa will like on which you will try him. Yeah, open your account, which you Subulun Javan.
Everybody who kept an eye motazik, a focus if you
a fork front and back.
Let's say I see the book. We Sabbath, I see, particularly. Oh, you know, particularly, I'm going to go as you. We soon down.
Okay.
In Maya or I got that one more, especially in Guma. You know.